As always, this technique is for educational purposes only and should never be used on the public internet. We begin by starting the Airmon-ng process within the CLI. I have used this within previous videos, the command being sudo Airmon-ng start WLAN 0. A quick ifconfig command and you will see the wireless interface has changed into monitor mode, so is now sniffing the air for packets. I am now going to start the Airodump process to test that we are able to see the various wireless networks. We do this with the command sudo Airodump-ng WLAN 0 mon. This starts the process and you begin to see wireless LANs and client devices. I will be focusing on my own network and connected devices for breaking the password. I will use Airodump again, but with the -C flag, which is for the specific channel that my Wi-Fi is on. Using -W, I am creating a packet capture for later analysis. As you can see, I can now only see my network or BSS ID and station devices that appear as they connect into my wireless LAN. On the top right shown by the arrow, you can see the packet captures are being created as Airmon monitors my network. The next command, Aircrack-NG, which I have placed in the description below, is to disconnect or deauth a client from the WLAN. My mobile phone on the right disconnects from the WLAN, trying to reconnect to the wireless. At the same time, Airmon shows a WPA handshake, which will be captured in the PCAP file. Now, the fun part is to try and crack the password, which would have been during the deauth process. The ls command shows the 5 files from the packet capture. I have also placed a word list of passwords I am going to use to break the password, called ginpassword.txt. I will again place the command in the description, but we have to use AirCrack-NG, followed by the PCAP name, then -W, followed by the location of the word list. Mine is a small word list and as you can see, it cracks the password very quickly. It will say key found, followed by the password itself as confirmation. Thanks for joining the G-Man channel today, and we hope you enjoyed learning this process. It is vital to secure your wireless, and AirCrack-NG is an essential tool for pen testing this.